I've been using 70mm dash cameras since 2021 on 2 different continents, driving the car on the right and on the left side of the road, and they have proven to be reliable and offer excellent value for the price. The A810 model offers 4K video quality, dual-channel HDR, and a lot more other features that I wanted to cover in this video. At the time of this video, the camera is on sale and you can get it for just $161.99 US, which is an incredible value considering the quality of this dashcam. Check out the links in the video description if you're interested. The camera comes in a nice looking box. Inside it, you can find the main unit, the back camera, a mount, a few cables, a wiring crowbar, a car charger with 2 USB ports, a few electrostatic stickers, and some paperwork. You can also get a 4G hardware kit that is sold separately. In the box, you get everything you need for installation. Just like the previous 70mm dash cameras that I have reviewed before, the A810 is made of high-quality polycarbonate, the device is really solid, and the overall build quality is excellent. Everything is robust and the device is built to last. The star of the show is the high-end Sony Starvis image sensor that records in 4K 25 FPS. It supports HDR recording, it offers low noise levels, and it has a bright aperture lens. The camera module can be rotated in each direction, so you can easily adjust the angle when the dash camera is mounted on the window. The rear camera captures footage in 1080p resolution. The dashcam allows simultaneous recording from both the front and rear cameras. The 4K video captured by the main camera is of excellent quality, exhibiting sharpness and detail that renders road signs, license plate numbers, and other elements clearly visible when viewed on a phone or a laptop. The 70mm's self-developed My Color Vivid Plus solution provides very accurate color reproduction and good contrast. Compared to cameras that offer 1080p or 2K resolution, you can definitely see huge difference in terms of detail and sharpness of the 4K footage. This Sony Starvis sensor is among the best in the industry, and it delivers probably the best quality dashcam footage I've seen yet. The device's highly accurate built-in GPS unit also embeds precise time, date, and GPS data into the footage, which proves invaluable for accident reports or insurance claims. A 3-inch IPS display shows the front and back view in real time, and the view can be changed with a click of a button. Having used the A500S dash camera for a long time, I really appreciate the increased display size so I can see the live view or the settings menu more clearly. I also found the rear camera to be useful when parking the car. Nighttime video performance is notably impressive due to 70mm's proprietary Night Owl vision technology incorporating 3D dynamic noise reduction and wide dynamic range capabilities. Compared to other dashcams, this results in significantly reduced noise and enhanced clarity, crucial for capturing high-quality video in low-light conditions. While the footage from the rear camera may not match the sharpness of the main unit, it still offers very good quality at 1080p resolution, adequately capturing essential details including license plate numbers and road signs. Overall, the 4K video quality of this 70mm dashcam is probably the best I've seen. I've tested this dual-channel setup in various weather conditions, including sunny, cloudy, and rainy days, and each time the recorded footage displayed the necessary details with impressive overall quality. I appreciate the convenient accessibility of the micro SD card slot located next to the DC in and AV in ports. The power key is on the left side of the main unit. We have 4 control buttons below the screen that have a nice tactile feedback. I found the user interface to be very simple and intuitive to use. You can easily navigate using the keys. You can switch from the front to the back camera live preview, start emergency video recording manually, or view the recorded footage right on the screen. You can play any clip captured with the main or back camera, which is very useful. I found the playback quality to be pretty good. There are quite a few settings related to video, system, parking security, smart travel, sound, and so on. In the video settings menu, you can adjust the recording duration, select between a high and low compression ratio, and choose the resolution. I use the camera at 4K all the time for the best image quality. You can also turn on or off the HDR, set the refresh rate, and select what will be displayed on the footage: speed, latitude and longitude, and 70mm logo. In the System Settings menu, you can adjust Wi-Fi settings, set the screen off time, and adjust quite a few other settings. You can also format the memory card and adjust parking security settings if you have a hardware kit installed. In the Smart Travel menu, you can adjust settings related to emergency video and ADAS, which is an advanced driver assistance system. Further, you can adjust settings related to sound, upgrade the firmware, and so on. The ADAS system detects your surroundings and uses voice alerts to warn you of safety problems. For instance, it will give you a warning if you leave your lane or recognize the vehicles in front of you, calculating their speed and space to prevent forward collisions. If you get the 4G hardware kit, it allows you to use Smart Parking Guardian mode. For instance, using an AI motion detection algorithm upon identifying a nearby person as a potential threat, providing evidence of break-ins or other emergencies. In addition, during parking mode, the system compresses every 15 minutes into 1 minute to conserve memory card space and enable quicker playback for immediate event preview. It also supports simultaneous recording with compatible front and rear cameras. The optional 4G hardware kit also unleashes features like instant app alert, remote surveillance, vehicle location, and so on. I found the 70My app to be intuitive and easy to use. First of all, you can see a live preview of what the camera is recording in full screen mode. Also, you can switch between the main and the back cameras and take a picture. The still image quality is pretty good. On the home screen, you can also turn on or off the sound recording. In addition to this, you can view and download the recorded footage on your phone. Well, you can do the same thing right on the camera, which is fine, but the phone's larger screen gives you more detail. Moreover, you can conveniently select the clip from the timeline. Also, you can add these effects that show a lot of useful information and they simply look cool. The footage is downloaded to your device pretty fast and the video playback is smooth. The app also allows you to adjust pretty much the same settings, but is a faster way of doing this compared to clicking the buttons on the Dashcam itself. Besides, you can control the camera wirelessly even when you are not inside the car. Taking everything into account, the 70My A810 is a nearly excellent car dash camera. The 4K video quality is probably the best I've seen, the device is easy to use, it has plenty of features, and most importantly, this dashcam has been reliable all the time. Therefore, I can easily recommend this dash camera as one of the best for the price. If you're interested in picking one up, check out the links in the video description for the latest prices and other information. What do you think about this dashcam? Would you buy this one or would you choose another option? As always, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.